Assalamu alaikum. Currently, I'm standing on a road. So today it is Friday. So I'd like to show you that the day of Hifz students, because in this morning they become very busy. They have to clean clothes. They have to clean road, mosque, then washroom, and so on. So everything they do in the Friday morning for performing, for those who will come to perform prayer, for them they do that. And it is really busy schedule for them. In the morning time they woke up and they do everything for us. So currently now if you notice, okay, look at them, they are cleaning their clothes. And if you notice inside the playground, I don't know you can see or not, that they are playing something, a kind of game they're playing. And inside the mosque, some students are cleaning the mosque, and they are really busy. They are preparing for Muslim or for those who will come to the mosque and perform prayer. For them, they are preparing the mosque, and I'm having time with them. I'm discussing sometime with them, and you know that most of the video I do with about them because I like them. That's the reason I come here and pass my time. And as a reason, and to be honest, you know that I'm an English speaker and English learner. That's the reason I do that. I do it for improving my speaking English. So yeah, it is amazing day for us, but for not them because they are really busy. But in the afternoon time, after performing Asr prayer, they will be free and they can do anything. They can play or they can hang out with their friends. But in the morning time, now they are very busy or they are working. Have a good day. Take care.